Hi everyone, and welcome to the online version of the Hesperis course, which is hosted on Transplant Live, ESOT's e-learning platform. My name is Raj Thurasingham. I'm a consultant nephrologist at Barts Health NHS Trust in the UK.
Hello everybody, and welcome to the first online edition of the Hesperis course. My name is Luca Totti. I'm a liver and kidney transplant surgeon at the Tor Vergata University in Rome. With this online edition, we hope to make this course available to emerging transplant professionals across Europe and beyond. Specifically, Raj, who's this course for?
We would like to reach healthcare professionals, and particularly physicians, surgeons, and scientists who are entering the field of transplantation and would like to acquire the advanced, multidisciplinary knowledge and skills that are necessary to succeed. People may be wondering, what exactly can one expect to learn from Hesperis?
Well, this course provides an advanced introduction to the most relevant aspects of transplantation. Thanks to top leaders in their respective fields, in this edition, we will cover 5 key areas of transplantation: immunology, indication, organ donation, recipient management, and regenerative medicine.
So participants can expect to gain an extensive view of transplantation. I would like to highlight that this course emphasizes the importance of the multidisciplinary approach to transplantation. Our aim is that participants will acquire practical models that they can implement in their own transplant centers.
Absolutely, Raj. And what is particularly interesting about this online edition of Hesperis is that all these lectures are complemented by papers suggested by the faculty, self-assessment quizzes, a discussion forum to interact with peers, and weekly live session with the faculty of each unit, where the learners can delve deeper into other topics and test their knowledge on specific case studies.
And don't forget, we will also pair each participant with a faculty member on the basis of their interest. So each learner will have a tutor supporting them for the duration of the course. This is one of the newest features of the program, and we're very excited to see the networking opportunities this provide.
I agree. And networking, interaction, friendship are what made the Hesperis special over the course of the last few years, and what we really wanted to keep even in this online edition. Indeed, we are really happy with this new course format. It will enable us to reach all the healthcare professionals all over the world. Indeed, I'm pleased to thank Laura Contesi and Valentina Ricci for their precious help in the design and implementation of this course.
We hope you will really enjoy this course, and when completed, we invite you to explore the various learning opportunities available on Transplant Live, the ESOT e-learning platform, to further expand your knowledge in transplantation. And on behalf of Luca, myself, and the rest of the ESOT team, along with the faculty, good luck.